What if a gaming PC was not just built to play games, but built to tell a story? What if a hardware carried the same philosophy as Hideo Kojima game? Bold, experimental, purposely built for those who dare. Well, that is what ASUS is actually doing, as they are teaming up with Kojima Productions, and I would like to introduce you to the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 Kojima Productions Edition, and this might be the most artistic gaming device ASUS has ever made. This is not just a special colorway, this is just not branding, this is full creativity collaboration with Kojima Productions, designed for creators, gamers, and technologists who appreciate ambition and intent. Let's break down what makes the ROG Flow Z13 different, and why it might be one of the most unique gaming devices of this generation. Last year's device was one of my favorite devices I actually used. It truly blew me away at what it was able to do for such a small device. Truly amazing, and this one looks like it is not going to disappoint. The first thing you will notice is the carbon fiber chassis. Not inspired by carbon fiber, not textured to look like it. Real carbon fiber is integrated into the design, giving this device a lightweight feel while reinforcing futuristic, almost military grade aesthetics. It feels purposeful, like equipment, not a toy. At just 1.7 kilograms and 14.6 millimeters thin, this is a gaming class machine that feels closer to a premium tablet than a traditional laptop. And of course, the Kojima production identity is everywhere. From the Ludens inspired design language to the subtle symbol detailing, this device is clearly made for those who appreciate storytelling through hardware. There's also the Kojima Productions logo on the power adapter. Up front, you get the ROG Nebula display, and is truly exceptional. A 10x10 QHD touchscreen protected by Gorilla Glass DXC, running at 180 Hz with 500 nits of brightness and 100% DCI P3 color coverage. Whether you're gaming, editing, or consuming content, the color accuracy and the smoothness here are top tier. Touch input feels natural, and the glass coating helps reduce glare without sacrificing clarity. Part of the Flow Z13, an AMD Ryzen AI Max Plus 395 with a Radeon 8060S graphics. This chip is built for the future. You get 50 TOPS NPU, which means the device is ready for AI-powered workflow on-device processing and next-generation features that go beyond raw performance. And of course, some Death Stranding gameplay. Games run smoothly, creative apps feel responsive, multitasking feels effortlessly. This is a machine designed not for today's workload, but for what's coming next. The devices live and die by cooling, and ASUS clearly took this seriously. The Flow Z uses ROG intelligent cooling featuring liquid metal and vapor chamber, and second generation arc flow fans. The result is impressive thermal control for the device this thin. It stays cool, it's quiet, and it maintains performance without aggressively throttling. The included RGB keyboard offers 1.7 millimeters of key travel, which feels surprisingly good for a detachable setup. It's responsive and practical for both gaming and typing. Audio is handled by 4 speakers, delivering clear and punchy sounds for a tablet class device. Your port selections are also strong with HDMI, USB Type-C, USB Type-A, a micro SD card slot, and dedicated command center button. You get a 1TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2 SSD, which means fast boot times and plenty of space for games and creative projects. The camera setup includes a 5 megapixel IR front camera for Windows Hello and a 13 megapixel rear camera. Battery wise, the 70 watt battery supports fast charging, delivering 50% in just 30 minutes. That makes this device far more practical for traveling and mobile work. ROG Z13 Kojima Production Edition. This is gaming hardware as art, and it's one of the most distinctive devices ASUS has ever released. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, as I will be going more in depth when this device releases later on this year. Let me know your thoughts, what you like, what you hope to see, how this device will perform. As always, everyone, have yourself a damn good one.